7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of East Coast Bass Fishing. What I want to do today is a mystery tackle box unboxing. And what this is, if you don't know, it is a subscription-based product from Mystery Tackle Box that gives you a box full of lures for a certain price. So I'm paying the $15 a month, and I get lures that maybe a new confidence bait, maybe a bait that I've never used or tried before, and you go out on the water and you try to catch a fish on every lure. Alright, let's jump right into it. Alright, first off we have, this is a card that they send. It's about your box, different lures on the back, if you can see, and it gives you all the prices. And majority of the time when you get this card, you get your $15 back and some in these lures as far as price wise. Alright, first lure is going to be the Boyd Duckett 2.5 Cascade. You can see it. I'm going to take it out of the box. I've never tried one of these before. Boyd Duckett is a pretty good company. This is a what we have here. It's a squirrel crankbait. So in the diving depth says here that it is 3 to 4 feet. Let's check that out. As you can see inside there, you got a couple little balls right on the side of here. I can't wait to try that. So it's pretty much just translucent. Got a little black on the top there. Alright. Next up is the brushless jig. Brushless jig. Now, I've never tried a brushless jig. I'm not too big on jigs. That's something new to me. Something I want to get into and hopefully become a confident bait for me. Let's see if I can get this thing open. Brushless jig. Yeah. Take this little band off. Oh, well, can't quite put it off, but anyway, got a brushless jig. This is probably a 3 or 4 aught hook. Can't wait to try that thing out. Something different. Alright, next up is the Chunky Shad at $4.66. Let's backtrack to the Boyd Duckett. The Boyd Duckett is $7.99. So if I got a $15 box, that's $8 right there already in one order. Now the brushless jig is $4.99. I'm already pretty much there as far as getting my money back. Alright, so the Chunky Shad by Reaction Baits is here. There you go. So let me get one of these out. And that's a 4-pack at $4.66. Now I've tried using swim baits like this before, and they work pretty good, but just not this size. It's kind of like a shad color. There's a little paddle tail right here in the back, and then here on the top is where you can make it weakless. There's a little slit right there. So that's a pretty good deal. Can't wait to try that out. And this size, it comes in this a 4-pack, and this is a 4-inch Chunky Shad by Reaction Strike. Next up is a company that I've been dealing with as far as, buying lures lately and having pretty good luck, and it is the Rage Grub. I've been using the raised tail crawls and raised tail space monkeys. And this package right here, it's just like a little sample pack. It's only 4, but that's fine. I mean, it's a sample pack. They're $2.40. So I'm assuming that the retail price is going to be, as it says here, for a 10-pack, $5.99. And this is a 4-pack. They're giving it to me for $2.40. And it's just like it's a watermelon red color. There you go. And then once you want to hook it up, you want to pull that apart there so the little tail can move freely. Nice little grub, and it's got that good old coffee scent. You can see right here on the packet. Coffee scent. Yeah. I don't know if it attracts more fish or not, but I'm not complaining. Works good for me. Next up is something I've never tried before. It's the Mustad Power Lock Plus Straight Keeper. And these are hooks. Retail price. Doesn't have retail price, but anyway, this is a 3-pack for $6.50. Let's get one of these things off. See if I can show you how it works with one of these chunky shads. Okay, you got your little weight here, so your little can sit on down. Pick it up with one of these. What you want to do is, this is the bottom end here. You want to go in here. It's about right there. And come all the way out. Or you can try a different way. Go in. Nose first, and you just twist it off. Yeah, it's a lot better there. And what that does is keeps your bait nice and secure up on the hook, and it won't come off. Not at all. So you got it like that there. You see? Lay it back. It's not really going to work too good right here with this lure because it's so small, but you kind of get the picture. And there you go. Power Lock Plus. Nice hooks. Nice and sharp. This is a size 4 aught. So you can put that on any decent size lure. You can put it on Zoom trick worms. You can put it on crawls and brush hogs and lizards, things of that nature. There you go. Now once you got all your lures, you kind of go over the prices, and you can see the first 3 here are fairly new. So you got the crankbait here, that's new. The jig, and then the chunky shad. New lures. Inside the box you got your dibble. And this is pretty much telling you about lures and what are good for certain times of the season, and you know how to fish a drop shot and things like that. Also inside this box you get a nice little lucky tackle box. Well, I'm sorry, mystery tackle box sticker. So, little confetti here, kinda. That's pretty cool. A nice little scratch off. Let's see if I can scratch this thing off with. I really don't have anything. I'm going to use the tip of this crank here. see if I win anything. Match 3 symbols, win your prize. And I did not win. Oh. No matches. Not 2 or anything. Sucks, but oh well. This has just been a little unboxing of the lures and everything that comes in the box when you subscribe. I really strongly suggest that if you're looking for a new confidence bait, you should try this company out. There's also, you know, they have the Lucky Tackle box. And, let's see what else they got. Tackle Warehouse and stuff like that, but I prefer using this company here, which is Mystery Tackle Box. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lures for $15. First lure is $7.99. Second lure is $4.99. Third, $4.66. Fourth, $2.40, which is just a sample pack. Then the fifth, which is $6.50. You can't beat it. That's well over the amount that I paid for. So this has just been a little unboxing for you guys. My first official unboxing on YouTube. Once again, like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment on what you think I should do next. Fishing's been kind of tough right now. The water temperature is very low. We've had a lot of rain lately. We're supposed to get some rain tomorrow. Hopefully on my next episode will be a pond fishing video. Until next time, tight lines. Thanks for watching.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.